I'm in a 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how you jump start your vehicle. So first you'd open up the hood, and then on the passenger side you should see your battery right here. So these would be the connectors that you take your jumper cables to, whether you run them to another car or a jump box. This back end is the positive, this is the negative, which you can also tell by looking on the battery. There's a little negative sign here and a positive right here. But you want to make sure all these connections are really tight as well. If these get loose or they have a lot of corrosion built up, that could cause your issues. So it might be worth, if there is a lot of corrosion or looseness, clean off all the debris and then reattach these and tighten them up. That could be your issue. But if you're jumping, it's the positive and that's your neutral negative, and you want to match them up the same for the other end for your jump box or car. You never want to cross them because that could cause things to break within your electrical and computer systems, short out some things, and then you have a real bad day. And worst case, if you need to replace your battery, pretty easy to access this one. You just disconnect all these terminals and pull this out and pop your new battery right in. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.